Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're on the outskirts of Deventer at a place called Observatorium Kaisersrande. So basically it's an old brickworks factory that was there, and the remains of it, an artist by the name of Krijn de Koning built these frames around the ruins to give unique perspectives of the landscape in the area, which we shall check out now. So this is the way we came in, through farm roads. We've managed to avoid some raging bulls on a field. These ones weren't actually raging though. But yeah, we came past bulls again, and it reminded me of the raging bull that we come across the other day. So all these green bits were added on later and built around the old brickworks factory. And these are the original walls, apparently, of an old brickworks factory. I'm guessing they made these bricks themselves, or did they have to buy them in from elsewhere and then start making bricks? Who knows? But we've got these sort of frames that have been assembled around various parts of it, and used in conjunction with the landscape, meant to give a unique perspective on the building, the old building and the surrounding area. So let's check it out. Good view there of the IJssel River. So yeah, you could just put anything in the frame and make your own pictures if you wanted to. So I just saw this on Google Maps, and it looked like a unique perspective. There's a statue that was left over from those days, a moving statue. So yeah, frames are basically built around the walls. They kind of the artist has framed the walls, I guess. I suppose this along the ground is also a frame. It's looking pretty overgrown, to be honest. So I suppose you have to look at it from all different angles, from both sides of the frames, etc., to see what it's all about. A lot of stingies, yeah, so I ain't going to go further than this. It must have been quite a small building by the looks of it. There's not a lot left of it in any case. And this is the main observation platform, I guess. Good view from here of the IJssel River. And the surrounding floodplains. So I have to get my phone out just now and take a few photos. Do a few poses in the frames. Yeah, it's not really possible to go further down, judging by the state of... There's some poppies growing down there. Seem to be a lot of those orangey plants with what look like poppies growing all around the landscape. But yeah, stinging nettles everywhere. So I don't think a lot of people know about this site, but I thought it would be something of interest to check out. It'd be interesting to check the footage back later to see what these views look like through these frames. Let's check it out from the other side of this one. Brickworks factory, but they used concrete. That's cheating. You're supposed to use brick. So here's your framed landscape. Let's have a look. If I put the camera down here, how I look in the frame. Hang on a second. Let's have a look how that picture looks at me. I just noticed some of the old walls crumbling here. So yeah, I guess it's a changing sort of picture in the frames, you could say. So yeah, that's the observatorium for you. Until the next video, stay safe and well, and bye bye for now.